Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start one new topic and the topic name is parts of sentence. In last class we have completed kinds of sentence and this is next to that topic, that is parts of sentence. Students, I am teaching you step by step. So I hope the same, and I would like to tell you, beta, please make a fair note of these all topics. Alright? In your grammar copy. So let's move ahead. Every sentence has two parts that you can see here. The first one is subject and the second one is predicate. Now we shall understand what is the meaning of subject and what is the meaning of predicate. If you listen carefully, then definitely you will be able to understand it very well. So here the definition, we can say about the subject that subject is a word about which something is said, or in short we can say that doer of action is called as subject. For example, if I say Ram was going to school. So who was going to school? Here Ram. The action is being done by Ram only. Alright? That is why who is the subject of this sentence? Ram. Similarly here we'll see what is predicate. We'll understand here. So we must understand predicate is that part of the sentence which says something about the subject. The part which says something about the subject is known as what? Predicate. For example, your concept will be more clear when you will see the example. So I have taken here various examples. First example is Ram goes to market. We are talking about Ram. So who is the doer of the action? कौन market जाता है यहाँ पे? तो Ram. तो Ram will be what here? Subject. And the definition of predicate. Whatever we say something, whatever we are saying about Ram, that part will be predicate. So what we say, राम के अलावा जो भी चीज़ें हैं, that will be what? Predicate. Similarly here, Rana Pratap was a true patriot. So my dear, here Rana Pratap is what? Subject. And we are telling something, what was a true patriot. So this part will be what? Predicate. So you can see here, in short, I have written for subject S and for the predicate I have written P, but you have to write in full form in your copy. Next example, Radha writes a letter. Here Radha is what? Subject, and writes a letter is what? Predicate. Okay, now see again, I have concluded the above all sentences. Examples, what I have written in the above examples, Ram, Rana Pratap, Radha, these all are subjects, and the remaining part was what? Predicate. See here, based on this taught topic, I am giving you few homework to do it. So you have to find out the subjects and the predicates in the following sentences. So you will do it in your fair English grammar copy. Mohan plays. Here you have to find out what is the subject here and what is the predicate part here. Second sentence, he reads a book. You have to find out the subject and the predicate. Similarly, in third sentence, he bathes in the river. So here, he baths in the river. You have to find out the subject and the predicate. Fourth sentence is, it is raining. बारिश हो रही है. you have to find out subject and the predicate. Now, we have been living here for 2 years. Here also you have to find out subject and the predicate. You can do underline also the predicate part, and just below this you can write P, and just writing or just doing the underline of this just doing underline, you can write whether the part is subject or the predicate. So this was all about today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.